first day of Platinum Pass holder previews here at Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego, and I'm the very first rider. The very, very first rider. Oh! So here are a few facts about Emperor. It is California's first floorless dive coaster. It is the tallest, fastest, and longest dive coaster in the state. It reaches 153 feet with a 43-degree incline lift hill. It's a 14-story vertical drop. It reaches a max speed of 60 miles an hour and features a hammerhead turn, an Immelmann, a flat spin, and a barrel roll. So that was Emperor. I was the second person on the first car of the first day of official pass holder previews. Awesome ride, really smooth. The drop was awesome. The incline was fun. You go up that lift hill so fast. If you want to compare it to maybe a larger version of Hang Time, I think it's a lot like SheiKra at Busch Gardens in Tampa. Between Emperor and Electric Eel though, I'd say Electric Eel hands down. Love that ride.
Sit up right, hold on tight, and get ready for your ride on the one and only Emperor.
Oh my gosh. Oh! So I was able to ride Emperor 4 times, 3 times in the front, once in the back. It was a lot of fun in the front, fun in the back. I think the front is better if you like hanging and seeing the track in front of you. The back whips you around a little bit more, and the drop is a little bit more intense, but I think I preferred the front. Emperor officially opens to the public March 12th, and there's various days of pass holder previews depending on which pass you have between now and then. So today is Platinum. Tomorrow, I believe, are some of the other passes. So check the SeaWorld website. We'll put the information down in the description. This was the perfect day to come to SeaWorld. This is how crowded it is. Don't you just love when theme parks are like this? I was the only one in the penguin exhibit. Only person. That's it from SeaWorld San Diego, sitting here in the car charging it. I drained my battery, pulling all the videos off from the GoPro. Emperor opens March 12th to the general public. For the next few days, they're doing pass holder previews. Today was the first day for Platinum pass holders. Had a lot of fun on the roller coaster. Got my picture. Look at that. Looks like I'm the only one on there. There's a couple people in the back row, but look at that. I don't know what I'm doing there, but there you go. Got the picture. It was a lot of fun, the roller coaster. The only thing that I think they could have improved on was the theming. There is no theming at all, and SeaWorld usually really details their queue lines, and there was nothing. Nothing at all, not even any shade. And the ambassadors that are checking your safety restraints and loading the cars have no shade either. So that maybe that'll be phase 2. We can keep our fingers crossed. But as for the coaster, it was a lot of fun. Love Electric EO. We did the Bayside Sky Ride. I'll do some other videos of some of the other rides. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And a big shout out to Ginny. She checked me in this morning. I was the first guest in the front gate. She scanned me in, and she was there and said goodbye on the way out. I showed her this awful picture. Next time, Ginny, I'm here. We're riding that ride together. Thanks, everybody, for watching. See you next time.